SKUAST-K Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship Centre invites all those young aspiring startups or innovators who have such novel ideas in their mind where they want to create solutions for the problems. And SKUAST Innovation Centre is there to scale up and accelerate their ideas, be it the prototyping, be it the mentoring, be it the hand-holding, be it the funds support. So SKUAST Innovation Centre is basically an end-to-end support system for fostering the culture of innovation and startups within the youngsters.
It was a program today about Agritech and Excellence and Innovation. The program was really amazing and it was from us.
Today I have participated in one-day workshop on Agritech Excellence and Innovation. It was a wonderful experience. I have learned a lot of things also from the organizers.
एग्रीकल्चर पे हमें रोज़ जोर देना चाहिए कि हम कश्मीर में ज़्यादा एग्रीकल्चर होता है, यानी कि एग्रीकल्चर इंक्रीज करना है, जैसे डेयरी में डाल सकते हैं, उससे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट दूर हो सकती है.
In terms of money that we may have in need of it.
We have seen the tremendous, support from all the stakeholders, particularly from the students of engineering and the plant sciences. We have witnessed more than 100 participants, and they have been very enthusiastic. They have been enthusiastic throughout the time frame of the workshop. And most importantly, what we have seen, the speakers spoke about the relevancy of the workshop. They spoke about the opportunities in the agricultural sector and the technologies which we use for solving the critical problems in a nice way, in a more simplified way. The artificial intelligence which has been kept in the agriculture science, what we have seen so far, has been discussed thoroughly, and the various tools which we can use nowadays for solving the real-time problems, challenging problems which may help the mankind, which may help the society in terms of the upliftment of the jobs and the creation of more avenues, more opportunities in various sectors, be it the dairy farming, be it the honey making, be it the various allied fields of the agriculture. And the incubation center at SKUAST, we are very much pleased. I have been the part of this workshop as an organizer. I am very much impressed the way incubation center of SKUAST is doing such activities. We have seen the practical results throughout the year.